Alright, what's up guys? Just received my MSI Z77A-G43 Military Class 3 Motherboard. Literally not even 2 minutes ago. So we're just going to do a little unboxing here. First we'll go over the box a little bit. 22 nanometer CPU ready. Radeon Crossfire. Compatible with Windows 7, obviously. Supports 2nd gen Core i series, and it has the Intel Z77 chipset. Going over the back, we have Super Fret Coat Choke. Sorry, I don't really know what that is, but it's probably really good. Solid capacitors. PCI Express 3.0. 1 second overclock with OC Genie 2, Click BIOS 2, UEFI BIOS, THX True Sound, it's got a lot of cool stuff, let's just leave it at that, and military class 3 hardware, so. Alright, going into the box, we have a drivers and utility CD, aka Frisbee, I/O panel, installation guide, those little, I don't know the actual name for them, but you just plug them in and it makes it easier to plug in your motherboard for the USB things. 2 SATA cables, 2 of them have the 90-degree angle thing. Then the guide right here. Right. Alright. On the back we have 6 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.0, HDMI, DVI, VGA, I believe that's 7.1 audio by THX, and Gigabit Ethernet, and PS2 port for keyboard, mouse. If you're running an older keyboard. Now we have the PCI Express, world's first apparently. By now it's not the world's first, but so yeah, this one is I keep saying USB. This one is PCI Express 3.0. This one I believe is just the PCI Express 2.0, and they're both. This one's at 16x. This one is at 8x, I believe. Yes, it is. And oh, that's kind of a stupid sticker to put down there. Alright, these 4 right here are SATA 2, 3 gigabit per second. These 2 are SATA 3, 6 gigabit per second. Dual channel DDR3 RAM, USB 3.0 front header, 8-pin CPU, power, and let's see how many fan headers we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like 5 fan headers on the actual PCB itself. 2 PCI 1X slots, PCI Express 1X slots, 3 PCI slots, and that's about it. I really like the color scheme on this. It's a blackish brown PCB with blue accents to it. MSI logo right there. It looks very nice. Kind of went on a limb here. On Newegg, there's actually no reviews on it, so I figured, because I usually only buy this stuff if it has really good reviews, but it looked like a solid motherboard with all the right features that I need and want. So hopefully it will be worth what I paid for it. And yeah. Now I guess I'll do the unboxing of the Core i5, which I'll make a separate video, so look for that soon. See you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and or subscribe if you want to.